federal convict asking for compassionate release must meet a very high standard. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. A federal defendant may obtain compassionate release if a federal judge finds, among other things, that extraordinary and compelling reasons warrant such a reduction to his or her sentence. In today's case, we're going to talk about defendant Rutherford, who is convicted of 2 counts of using and carrying a firearm during a crime of violence. Another defendant, Johnnie Carter, was convicted of 3 violations at the same time. Each was sentenced. A defendant convicted of 2 such counts was subject to a mandatory 25-year sentence for the second offense that would be stacked upon the first offense's mandatory penalty. That sentencing scheme resulted in a 32-year minimum sentence for Rutherford and a 57-year minimum sentence for Carter. Years later, Congress passed the First Step Act of 2018, which eliminated the 25-year stacking requirement for first-time offenders. Rutherford and Carter did not qualify for the Act's reduced penalties because the amendment was not passed at that time and is not retroactive. Rutherford and Carter each claimed the non-retroactive change to the law as a basis for a sentence reduction under the compassionate release provision. The lower courts held that the non-retroactive change to the law cannot serve as an extraordinary and compelling reason for compassionate release. The Supreme Court was then asked to review the matter and recently upheld the appeals court determination that this was an invalid application of the statute. So, both defendants will have to serve out their long sentences instead of getting a better deal if convicted today. Want to hear one of our episodes again? Be sure to check out the best of Business Law 101, YouTube at Dr. Dave Saves America, as well as the Brushwood Media Network. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. I want to mention a special promotion that we're running on our YouTube at Dr. Dave Saves America. We have passed 1,000 subscribers, and we're now on the road to 3,000 subscribers. And if you're interested, in the comments, tell us if you want Bad Deal for America or you want Decline of America. We will be having a drawing after we pass the number 3,000, and people who have posted that they want to be in the drawing and indicate which book they're interested in, and we'll be sending them that particular book. And we appreciate your listening, and we appreciate your participating at our YouTube channel at Dr. Dave Saves America.